Hello, my dear friends. If you've been noticing your legs don't feel as strong as they used to, or if those pesky leg cramps keep waking you up at night, I want you to know, this doesn't have to be your normal. As someone who's worked with hundreds of seniors just like you, I can tell you with absolute certainty that weak, crampy legs aren't an inevitable part of aging. In fact, with just a few simple daily habits, you can keep your legs feeling strong, steady, and ready for whatever life brings your way. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. But I'm too old for exercise, or my legs just aren't what they used to be. Well, let me tell you about Mary, a senior of 78. When we first met, she needed help just getting out of her chair. But after following these same 5 habits I'm about to share with you, at 82, she's gardening again, walking her dog around the block and even dancing at her granddaughter's wedding. So let's get started with habit number 1. And don't worry, none of these require expensive equipment or hours at the gym. Movement is medicine for your legs. Our bodies were designed to move, my friends. Every time you take a step, you're sending a signal to your legs saying, "Stay strong, I still need you." The problem is, as we get older, we tend to move less without even realizing it. That comfortable recliner, it might actually be making your legs weaker. Here's what I want you to try. Set a little timer for every hour during the day. When it goes off, do just 1 minute of movement. You could stand up from your chair, use your arms if needed, and sit back down 5 times. Hold on to the kitchen counter and march in place. Walk to the mailbox and back. Do some gentle ankle circles while watching your favorite show. Feed your muscles the right fuel. Now let's talk about food, because what you eat directly affects how strong your legs feel. Many older folks don't get enough protein, and that's like trying to build a house without bricks. Try adding these muscle-friendly foods to your day. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with cheese or peanut butter on toast. Lunch: a tuna sandwich or bowl of lentil soup. Dinner: baked chicken with some beans or quinoa. Snacks: Greek yogurt or a handful of almonds. And don't forget about calcium and vitamin D for strong bones. A glass of milk, some leafy greens, or even just sitting in the sunshine for 15 minutes can make a big difference. Give your body time to repair itself. Here's something many people don't realize. Your muscles don't get stronger while you're exercising. They get stronger while you're resting. That's why good sleep is so important. If you struggle with sleep, try these tips. Keep a regular bedtime, even on weekends. Make your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid caffeine after lunchtime. Try a warm bath before bed to relax your legs. And here's a little trick from my friend Bethel. She puts a pillow between her knees when she sleeps on her side and says it stopped her nighttime leg cramps completely. Water is your leg's best friend. Did you know your muscles are about 75% water? When we don't drink enough, they literally shrink. That's why staying hydrated is so important for preventing cramps and keeping your legs feeling strong. Try this simple routine. Drink a glass of water when you first wake up. Have another with each meal. Keep a water bottle where you sit most often. If you don't like plain water, try adding lemon or drinking herbal tea. Brain used to get terrible leg cramps at night. Once he started drinking more water during the day, they disappeared almost completely. Break up your sitting time. Here's the hard truth, friends. Sitting for long periods is one of the worst things we can do for our legs. Every hour you spend sitting is an hour your leg muscles aren't working. Try these simple tricks. Stand up during TV commercials. Walk to the kitchen for water every hour. Do some seated leg lifts while reading. Park farther away at the store. Remember, it's not about running marathons. It's about giving your legs little bits of movement all day long. Putting it all together. Now I know this might seem like a lot to remember, so here's what I suggest. Pick just one habit to start with this week. Maybe it's drinking more water or standing up every hour. Once that feels comfortable, add another. I've seen so many seniors transform their mobility with these simple habits. Take Abigail, who at 85 was using a walker. After 6 months of these daily habits, she walks with just a cane now, and her doctor says her bone density has actually improved. Your next steps. Pick one habit to start today. Share this with a friend who might benefit. Let me know in the comments, which habit are you going to try first? Remember, my friends, aging doesn't have to mean weakness. With these simple daily habits, you can keep your legs strong, prevent painful cramps, and stay independent for years to come. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's one small thing you'll do today for your leg health? Share below so we can all learn from each other. And if you found this helpful, please pass it along to someone else who might need it. Here's to strong legs and happy living at any age.